Alam mo yun! Alam mo yun! Tayo lahat! Let's welcome Mr. Jordan Gonzalez!
Morning! Or choices that will weaken you. Ganun sa buhay yun eh. And as we see, 2017, marami dito mga kaibigan, lilipas, matatapos na ang 2016. I don't know how 2016 has been to you. Marami siguro hindi pa kumita, marami naman kumita na. Pero para sa akin, sa mga taong hindi umangat ngayong 2016, sa mga hindi kumita ngayong 2016, it's okay. Ang akin, kahit hindi ka kumita, okay lang, basta natuto ka. Ang problema sa lahat, hindi ka na kumita, hindi ka pa natuto. Lagot ka. In other words, yung pagkita, darating na lang pag natuto ka. Pag alam mo na kung paano. And so, yung ganitong training, year-end training, is one of the most important trainings that every distributor should attend, both leaders, top distributors, or not. And isa to sa mga pinaka-paborito naming training because dito nagkikita-kita yung mga top distributors. Can you imagine a lot of our leaders here, top earners, multi-millionaires, may mga kinikita na malalaki na ang grupo. Magugulat kayo. Sila pa yung nandito at umaaten. Kaya palakpakan natin lahat ng mga leaders na patuloy na sumusuporta sa in global management every time na may ganitong training. Can you just imagine the likes of our global ambassadors here in front? The likes of Carlo Buenaventura, the likes of Roy Cueto, the likes of Maylin at Danny, the likes of everyone here, the Christina Kings and Dean, all the global ambassadors, SPs, sila James Aquino, sila Pearl, mga kumikita na. Ang philosophy, simple lang. Kung pinipilit ka pa ng upline mong umattend ng training, huwag kang mag-expect na yumaman sa iyong global. Kung pinipilit ka pang umattend, can you just imagine kung pipilitin ka pang umattend para umattend ng training? Pinipilit ka pang umattend ng training, pagyaman pa kaya? Bakit importante yung training? Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung networking, and so, there are skills you have to learn. Kaya ngayong gabi to, ngayong araw na to, ang topic ko sa inyo is about goal setting or how you will be able to get your goal for 2017. And this is very, very important. Isa sa mga paborito kong topics sa networking is how to set your goals. Because mahirap mag-network, mahirap mag-recruit, mahirap mag-build nang wala kang goal. Pag tinanong ka, bakit ka naging global, ang sasabihin mo, wala, para yumaman. Masyadong mababaw yun. O kaya pag tinanong kita, ba't ka nagre-recruit? Sasabihin, sabi kasi nung upline ko, mag-recruit. Yung iba pag sinabi, ba't ka nagre-recruit? Kasi importante yung sa networking, yung pagre-recruit. But a lot of people, they do not know the real reason behind why you have to sponsor a lot of people in the business. They just go with the flow. Nakikisabay lang sila sa mga pangyayari. And so, for those people who were not able to get their goals for 2016, it's about time you really take a serious look kung paano ka o paano mo mahihit yung goal mo come 2017. Again, in just a few days, 2016 will end. The important thing is, dapat alam mo, marami kang mga natutunan ngayong 2016. Nag-improve ka dapat. Tumaas dapat yung level ng knowledge mo. Tumaas dapat yung level ng skills mo. Otherwise, guess what? You will fail to become what you want if you stay dyan sa place from where you are right now. Di mo mararating eh. Kailangan may pagbabago mangyari. Sabi mo, change. For success to happen, change must happen. And if you keep doing what you've always done, your results will always be the same. And so a lot of people get tired. A lot of people nagkakaroon na ng disillusion. Gano'n naman, wala nangyayari sa akin. Kahit umatin ako ng training, wala nangyayari. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi ibig sabihin umattend ka ng training, yayaman ka na o mag-i-improve ka na. Attending training is one. Applying what you have learned is more important than just attending. How do we set our goals? How do we set our goals? Let me just quote this one first. If you don't make the time to work on creating the life you want, you're eventually going to spend a lot of time dealing with a life that you actually do not want. So, you have to have this kind of level of awareness that we are creators of our life. Life doesn't just happen. Just like network. A network, your group, your organization doesn't just happen. You have to create it. You have to understand that you are a co-creator of your life. Ikaw ang gagawa ng buhay mo. And so, importante mag-set ng goal kasi tayo yung gumagawa ng buhay natin, tayo yung gumagawa ng grupo natin, tayo yung gumagawa ng network natin. Tayo nagde-develop ng leaders natin. Number one, to be able, ladies and gentlemen, to set your goal, number one, you must identify your objective. Ano ba yung gusto mo? What do you want? What is your why? What is your deepest why? For a lot of people you hear na umaten lagi ng NDO, napapakinggan nyo lagi sa NDO natin na ano ba talaga yung motivation mo? Ano ba yung why? And every time you feel like quitting, every time you feel like giving up, always ask yourself, why did you start in the first place? Pag gusto mo na mag-quit, papagod ka na, pag tinatamad ka na, lagi mong tatanungin sa sarili mo, bakit nga ba ako nag-aim global? Bakit nga ba ako nagsimula? And I'm telling you, kung yung reason mo is compelling enough, kahit tinatamad ka na, at pag naalala mo yung reason mo, tutuloy-tuloy ka pa rin. May mga downlines kayo na meron din silang why. Pero pagka sila po, tinatamad na, naglalaylo na, sila, alam mo, ang distributor, ma-identify mo pagpawala na sa global. May symptoms yan. Parang sakit. Ang downline, hindi biglang nawawala. May simptomas po yan. Ang number one simptomas niyan, pag hindi na lagi nagpupunta sa opisina, hindi na nagpupunta umate ng training, pupusta ako sa inyo, pawala na yan. Pawala na yan. Ang mga distributor na nag-quit, hindi basta-basta nag-quit. Nakitaan mo ng symptom yan na number one, di na umaaten. Ang tagal na mag-reply sa'yo. Minsan, NR na, no reply na. Pag finalo up mo, ang tanong na sa'yo, who you, pawala na talaga yan. Yung mga ganitong event, nami-miss ng mga downlines mo, meron ng mas importante kaysa sa training na ganito, I'm telling you, it's a symptom. Because sa mga distributors, sa mga matatagal na, mga top earners dito, people like these people, look at Chris Puntana, nagla-live pa. You know what? Sa mga matatagal ng networker, training, if there's a training, you have to drop everything. You know why? Kasi pag hindi ka umattend ng training sa networking, it is considered a mortal sin. It is a mortal sin. Sa aming networker, pag hindi umattend ito, mortal sin yun. Kaya yung mga downline nyo na hindi umattend dito, may matinding kasalanan sila sa networking. Always set the objective, and believe me, kailangan sa pagsiset nyo ng objective, yung purpose ninyo is bigger than the objective itself. So bibigyan ko kayo ng idea. Halimbawa, yung iba, sinabi kanina ni Sir Arnelio, iba-iba tayo ng why. Yung iba, gusto time, kaya gusto mag-game global. Gusto magkaroon ng time freedom. Yung iba, gusto makapagbayad ng school fees. Iba-iba, self-development. Yung iba, pension, magkaroon ng passive income, extra cash, iba-iba. And bawat tao, may kanya-kanyang deepest why. Uplines, huwag niyong i-impose yung why ninyo sa downlines ninyo. Dapat may identify ng downlines ninyo kung ano yung sarili nilang why. Because most of the time, nagkakaroon yung downline ng artificial why because the upline motivates the downline so much in such a way, at the end of the day, yung downline, nagkakaroon siya ng why na hindi galing sa kanya, kundi galing sa pagkakabaliw sa kanya ng upline niya. Pag ikaw, ang why mo, pagkakabaliw galing sa upline, madali kang mawawala sa negosyo ito. Dapat ang why mo, galing sa kaibuturan ng puso mo. Hindi ko alam kung anong English nun, basta kaibuturan. It should come from the deepest part of your heart, down to the cellular level. Are you